Hi there, I hope your preparation for the upcoming Math Olympiad is going well. And today in this video, we are going to see how to go about solving a question of grade 5 and 6 of battery non-verbal. So here we have a question which says that the picture on the right has been drawn on paper and cut out to make a house. Which of the houses did it become? Okay, now this question requires a lot of imagination in 3 dimensions. Let's see what we have here. Here we have drawn a picture on a piece of paper, which is this one. And after that, we are cutting this picture along these edges. And when we have cut this picture, then we are folding these edges and we have to figure out after folding those edges what kind of house we will get. And we have been given these 5 options. Alright, now imagine, now this is one thing is for sure, if I cut this particular figure and I fold these edges, so this particular edge will be folded in this direction, this in this direction, and after folding all these edges, one thing is for sure that I will definitely be getting a solid. That solid will have its configuration like any one of these. That is for sure. And so this particular house, as we can see, has 2 sides. One side is this, on which there is no door. This side we will get from this particular edge. And the other side, which will be exactly on opposite side of this side, will have a door, which we will get by folding this particular edge. So it will be having 2 opposite sides. One side will be having a door and the opposite side will be having no door. And the roof, we can say the roof will be painted black. So if we see any of these options, let's say option D, this is the roof which is black, and if we see from this side, we will see the other side of the roof which will be also in black color. Now the question is that what about this black dot? On which side we will see this black dot? Now we only have to figure out that when we fold these edges, so we are getting 2 sides. On one side there is no door, this particular side, and on the opposite side there is this particular side which has a door. Now we need to figure out that where will this dot go, here or here. Now if we look at this figure, if I fold all of these edges, then if I keep this particular side in front of me on which there is no door, then this particular side which has a black dot will go on the right side here. So that means if I am keeping the side of the house which has no door in front of me, then the side on which there is a dot will go on right hand side. Now if I look at option D, if I'm keeping this side of the house in front of me, which has no door, then this dotted side is going on the left, which is not correct because we just saw that the dotted side will go on right. Okay, and now imagine if I flip this house. Imagine if you're looking this house when this door side is front of you. Okay, then this dotted side will be seen on the left. Now if door is front of you, then the dotted side will be on left. But here in option C, if I see that this side of the house which has door in front of it, then the dotted side is appearing on the right. And we just saw that the dotted side will appear on left is if door is in front of me. That means this is also not correct. And this also means that option B is also not correct, because we just saw that if we are keeping the door in front of us, then dotted side should be on left, and so the dotted side should be here, but we do not see the dot here, so that means this is also incorrect. And if I talk about option E, then option E says that the door will be on the right hand side. This is very obvious. This will never be correct. The door will be either on this side or on the back side. So this is also not correct. Now let's talk about option number A. I think option A is absolutely correct, because when we will fold these edges, and if we keep that side of the house in front of me on which there is no door, then dotted side will be on right, and that is exactly what is happening in option number A. So yes, this particular option is absolutely correct. Now in these type of questions of the battery non-verbal, it requires a lot of our imagination in 3 dimensions. And if you want, what you can do is, for 1 or 2 questions, you can try drawing this particular drawing on a piece of paper, then cut it down and try to fold these edges. Then you will be able to eliminate these options, and you will be able to figure out that this option is correct. So you can try doing this for a couple of questions, and then your sense of imagination will try to build up, and after that you will be able to solve these questions without doing all of this on paper. So yes, we would recommend that try doing a couple of questions on paper, those the questions that require imagination, and you will be solving them in no time on your own. So this was it for this particular battery. I hope you understood this, and yes, all the best for your preparation. Bye bye.